Hey guys, welcome back for another recipe in Nathie's Vegan Kitchen, where we make some tasty, easy, delicious, flavorful, and most of the time healthy vegan recipes. I want to give a quick thank you to all the subscribers. I've been super grateful. Every week it just keeps growing and it makes me so happy, and I just can't wait to see what else happens. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to be part of the community, hopefully by the end of this video you've been convinced. Just click down on the red subscribe box down below and you'll get notifications on any future recipes. So for today's video, I am really excited because I love pecans and I love pomegranate, and never myself made chocolate brittle, but this came out amazing. And if you're not a fan of pomegranate, this might be a really different take on what you've normally tried, so I would highly suggest it. And it's such an easy fruit. I definitely recommend buying it where it's already been taken out of the fruit when you just have the pomegranate seeds, because it's a really messy fruit. So I personally don't mess with it. I just buy it already with the seeds in the little container. And it's a really easy recipe. I think you guys will love this. This brittle, I think it's great for the holiday season, obviously, is why I thought about it, because it makes me think of, what is the red stuff? Is it holly or you know what I'm talking about, the red, and it's on the mistletoe, or I don't know what it's called right now, but it has that kind of feeling to it, so I really like it for the holiday season, and it's super easy to make, and it only requires the pecans, the pomegranate, and the dark chocolate, and that's it. So you've got 3 ingredients, and voila, you have a really nice looking dessert. Alright, so let's get to making some brittle. So what do you think? Is it as festive and holiday and as tasty as I promised? Hope you guys love this recipe. If you like any other brittle flavors, sorry, that's kind of tricky to say. If you like any other brittle flavors that you'd like me to try, then just leave me a comment down below. I would highly recommend that you store these in the freezer, and then when you want to eat them, just switch it to the fridge. They do melt pretty quickly, so they can get a little messy, so just be mindful of that. Alright guys, see you next time. Adios!